今天呢，我有个新楼盘想介绍给大家。OK，它的地方呢是在万景市，在 Woodbine 跟 Major Mac 附近，非常方便，有大统华，有 Canadian Tire，有 Costco。OK，学校各方面配套也已经好了。大部分的地区呢已经盖好了，好像你看我附近已经盖好的。OK，就是后边这块地，它总共呢这个项目呢有107个单位，当中呢有半独立，有排屋。而当中排屋呢有单车库跟双车库，价钱呢还有非常好的优惠。OK 因为最近呢加拿大政府呢有个税务的优惠。OK，所以它单车库排屋呢从99万开始，是99万多。OK，是很多年前的价格。我第一次看到价表的时候也不敢相信。OK，但是这个数量是非常有限的。下个星期呢就开始公开发售。以我知道呢，在公开发售之前呢，我们还有机会拿多一些的优惠，就是现在的情况。如果有机会想看的话，可以跟我联系，或者在以下的链接，OK 登记，或者打我手机也可以。我电话是647694433，647694433。好，我先去 sales center 看一下這個的房子的。
OK，咁我哋而家翻到嚟呢個嘅 sales centre 嘅 office 啦。OK，咁我今日咧有個同事喺度咧嚟緊講解下呢個 site 有咩特別。Hey Nadal, OK, thank you for showing us today. OK, can you tell us about this amazing project? Where is it located?
It's located at Woodbine and Major Mac. It's a great location, 407 units that are limitedly available, including in its inventory.
Wow！
Yes.
呢個地方咧，大家成日都會經過㗎啦。OK，佢咧就係 Major Mac，OK 同埋 Woodbine。一講呢個地方咧，大家都知道成個社區咧，大部分已經係 establish 咗㗎啦。就要一個地方咧，OK 就係喺 available。咁當中呢個 project 咧有啲乜嘢嘢咧？佢就係有 semi 啦，有 townhouse 啦，OK，同埋咧好多客人會成日問嘅，有冇啲雙車房嘅 townhouse？嗱，市面上嘅雙車房 townhouse 咧唔係好多嘅，但係今次咧可以帶大家睇下。呢個 location 一出咧就係404啦，OK，即係一出翻工404啦。咁另外 Canadian Tire 又喺隔離，大統華又喺附近，OK，Costco 又喺附近，所以飲茶食飯都好方便嘅。So for this one, you mentioned you guys have a semi-detached, you have townhouses and double garage. What is the square footage look like?
Oh, the starting point for townhouses are around 2,000 square feet, depending what. That's right. And it depends whether you get the end unit or the internal units. And as well as the semis are a little bit larger, they're around 2,400 square feet. And they're a great opportunity to kind of get in the space at around $1 million.
OK，咁所以咧頭先所講咧就係佢啲townhouse 咧由2000尺個開始，咁個價錢咧係100萬到啫。100萬係講緊好多年前嘅價錢嚟㗎啦。OK，so they want to know about government right now. They do have the incentive for the tax. Can you tell us about what's the benefit? How the buyer can take benefit for this?
Absolutely. So all the prices you're going to see already have the rebates embedded in it. So the actual HST is already inclusive of it. So when you come in and actually purchase a unit, you don't have to do the paperwork on your own.
Wow, OK，咁大家都知道啦，而家嗰個嘅稅咧，OK 買新屋咧係一個嘅優惠嘅，OK，所以頭先佢所講嘅價錢咧已經係包括咗個稅㗎啦，OK，講緊係好多錢嘅，OK，咁所以如果你係諗住係喺呢個市場裏邊去做 upgrading 咧，其實係一個唔錯嘅選擇嚟嘅。例如呢一個嘅地方係適合啲咩家庭咧？OK，例如你本身係想揾一間大少少嘅 townhouse，本身住喺個 condo 一段時間啦，想揾大少少，又或者 OK 住喺間雙車房，一路咧想搬，但係咧又想揾間雙車房嘅 townhouse 咧，呢個就正正啱你啦。以往咧好多時候啲客人要揾 townhouse 咧，一係就去到好北好北，一係咧就去到好東好東邊。今次咧可以有一間喺404出嚟2分鐘就到嘅地方，平時飲茶食飯全部都喺晒附近嘅。咁一個唔錯嘅地方嚟嘅。咁以我所知咧，佢嚟緊公開發售咧，大約咧仲有係1個星期到啦。但係我咧就攞到獨家嘅資料咧，就係可以咧預先帶你入嚟睇下。So I know they're going to have an opening very soon.
That's right.
If we have some client, they want to come here to preview. Okay, and how soon we can come here?
You can come and book an appointment with our sales office.
Wow.
And it's an incentive program. The prices may not stay the same by the time we launch on May 12th.
Wow. 嗱，咁大家記住啦，而家我哋講緊一個咧係公開發售之前嘅價錢。OK，因為通常咧一到咗公開發售咧，價錢咧就可能會高少少噶啦。咁如果你想把握呢個機會咧，OK，睇完套片即刻打電話俾我。OK，我電話係 647-6944333 647-6944333。OK， 嗱，睇完圖片之後咧，我會用個鏡頭影一影個 layout 附近有啲乜嘢，再介紹你嘅，好冇？咁有啲咩記得打俾我，我電話係647-6944-333，我係 Jason Yu。OK，thank you so much。
Thank you.
OK，thank you for your telling us about this amazing project.
Okay, we look forward to seeing you.
OK，good。
Thank you.
多謝晒。
Bye, everyone.